When you think of paradise, you think of sweeping views, rolling waves, and vibrant sunsets. You think of iconic landmarks like Haystack Rock, a sea stack that peaks 235 feet from the shoreline, the magnificent hiking trails that wind through Ecola State Park, and the quaint downtown area that's revered by art enthusiasts. When you think of paradise, naturally, Cannon Beach springs to mind. But what you might not know, the parks of Cannon Beach have a magic of their own. Cannon Beach City Main Park is one of 7 city parks where locals and guests gather to enjoy the picnic area, the playground, and battle on the many athletic courts and fields. NeCus Park is a historical treasure that was once the site of a Native American village. Animals and humans find magic in this park as they flock to enjoy its natural beauty. If you're looking for a quiet retreat, Elk Run Park is a small, shady area with a picnic table and a charming place to spend an afternoon. Likewise, Madison Park offers another intimate space for a private picnic. Whale Park is small, but a fan favorite. The main attraction is a 9-foot cedar sculpture of a gray whale. Ecola Creek Park is nestled along the shore of Ecola Creek and is a tranquil location to sit and enjoy nature. Over at Les Shirley Park, you'll discover a beautiful open area just steps from the beach. In 2004, 0.65 acres of wetlands were restored for the public to enjoy. Tolovana Beach State Recreational Site will not disappoint. Situated at the south end of Cannon Beach, this park and playground is a perfect recreational spot for the entire family. Visit cannonbeach.org to plan your trip today. Cannon Beach. There is magic here.